Okay, we're back on the technician machine, which now we're going to create a bootable. This is going to be our bootable CD-ROM. Okay, so we're going to put that in the machine. Right. Okay. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Start, All Programs, and we're going to go to Microsoft AIK, which is here. Right-click the deployment tools and run as administrator. Okay, and you've got to click yes for that here. Okay, insert the UFD. So this is going to be our bootable drive. So we're going to put that in there. There we go. It's nicely in there. And what we're going to do now is we're going to say type list. Oops, list. Oh, that's all this. Don't want all this. Right, go back here. List. Disk. Disk. First of all, we're going to type in disk part. Okay. List. Disk. Okay. There's two online 298 gigabytes, 298 gigabytes. So we've got a problem here because I've got to identify which one is disk 0 or disk 1. Okay, we've run into a bit of a problem here because disk 0 and disk 1 are both 298 gigabits. So I'm going to take a gamble here and say that disk 1 is the one that we're going to be actually formatting here. Now, bearing in mind, if I get this wrong, folks, I'm going to be in a lot of trouble. Okay, so disk 1, I'm going to sort of stick with disk 1, okay? Take a gamble. Okay, so I say select disk 1. Okay, select disk 1 is ready. Right, create clean. Okay, and then I'm going to say create partition primary. Okay, create partition primary. Okay, that's successful. Select partition 1. Now, here usually all the people say formatted to FAT32, but no, I always say formatted to NTFS. So I'm going to put format FS equals NTFS and a quick. This is something that I have learned. FAT32 just doesn't work, but everybody keeps saying I'll do it onto FAT32. Okay, that's done. Now active. And make it an exit. Okay. Right, so we've exited. Good. Now, the next part is insert the Windows 7 volume licensing CD. So we insert our Windows 7 volume licensing CD. And in the deployment commands, you can type in xcopy xd:** to e:** Okay, so we're going to give that a bash and see if it works. So it's xcopy /s d:* to e:* ****. Okay, I'm just going to quickly check that is the E drive is the one that we are actually, yeah. Okay, that's the E drive. So right, so let's give that a bash. Oops. Oh, access denied. Okay. Alright, if that doesn't work, once again, this is what they say. You can copy all the files on Windows XP. So if I go into my computer, open, Okay, copy all this. Copy. With a little bit of sort of mucking around and things like that, going into manage and giving the drive letters, we've managed to actually now copy everything over to the external hard drive. So now it's just a question of copying the install.wim from the reference computer into the sources folder, which is e:/sources, and then taking it from there. Right, see you later. Okay, it's still copying all the files from the CD-ROM, that's the Windows 7 64-bit, onto the UFD. Okay, it's done it all completely now, and it's telling me that it's copied 871 files. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take this UFD out from there and start the machine. Go to our reference computer. Reference computer is on, and we're going to put our stick in there. It should recognize it. Open the folder to view. Too many keyboards and mice here, but anyway, open the folders and view, and that is it. So we are going to put our C:, this install.wim into the folder which is e:/sources. We're going to put it in there. Okay, so off we go, and it's going to ask us to say there's already one in there. What do you want to copy and replace? Copy and replace. Yep. As you can see, our whole image is about 23.8 gigabits. So I might try to put it on a little stick afterwards to see if it does fit it all on there. Yeah. So there you go, it's copying that. When you come back again, we'll have the new computer that we're going to put it on ready. We're going to attach the external drive and see if it loads on like normal. Here we are back again, and what I'm going to see is if I'm going to see if I can fit it all onto this little memory stick here. First things first. Okay. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this memory stick in here, and it should recognize it. We'll go to Start, All Programs, Windows AI Kit. This is a good practice because at least we can do it, edit, run as administrator. Yeah. Okay. Right, the first thing to do in the deployment tools is to say disk apart. Good. Then what we've got to say is list disk. Okay, we know that it's 29 gigabits. That's a smaller one. So it's disk 1. This time it makes it a lot easier. So we say select disk 1. Disk 1 has been selected. Type clean. Create partition. Primary. Okay, partition created. Select partition 1. Once again, we're going to format it fs equals ntfs, quick. Okay, make it active after it's done it. Come on, baby. Okay, let's just quickly check the CD is still in there and what drives have been given. Okay, the removal drive is F and it's E. Okay, it's been 100% completed. Make it active. Oops. Make it active. Good, it's active. And exit. Now the simple question of copying everything from the CD-ROM to the CD-ROM to the F drive. So we can just put in a command here which says xcopy /s d, it's E colon, isn't it? Yeah, E colon / star dot star to F colon / star dot star. I think that's okay. Let's do that. Okay, that's good. It's copying the whole thing across. What we're going to try to do then is to copy the install.vim from the reference computer onto the little stick and see if it all fits. It's just that it makes it smaller to carry than the other external hard drive. So, be back again soon. We've brought the UFD, the small one, onto the reference computer, and we're trying to copy the install.vim in the sources folder, and it's telling us that it might actually fit. So we might have the boot Windows on this UFD together with the new install.vim file. Fingers crossed. Now we just rebooted the machine, and what we've got is booted it up from the hard drive, and it's loading all the configuration and everything onto the machine. That shows us that it's all working and it's all fine. Thank you for watching.